Welcome to Australia, one of the most amazing and beautiful places in the world. Australia is home to 6 states and 2 internal territories. But this is not a travel channel, and we are here for the animals that live in Australia's amazing wilderness. So, with that being said, this is 10 animals only found in Australia. When most people think of animals in Australia, the first animal that comes to mind is the all-popular kangaroo. So what better place to kick off? In our number 10 spot. Kangaroos are marsupials as well as macropods, meaning Bigfoot. Red kangaroos, tall and strongly built, are the largest marsupials and the largest Australian mammal, sometimes standing at over 6 feet tall. Male kangaroos can be very aggressive toward each other, fighting over mates. But kangaroos generally keep to themselves and hop away on sight of a human. With powerful hind legs and a strong tail used as a sort of third leg for balancing, these creatures pack incredible kicks. They're easily nature's most skilled kickboxers. You'll find kangaroos in nearly all of Australian wildlife sanctuaries and zoos, but seeing them in the wild is a real special treat. The best time to spot kangaroos in the wild is at dusk. Number 9. No one can resist the cuddly allure of koalas. These iconic Australian animals like the kangaroo are marsupials, a kind of mammal that is born undeveloped and is carried in a pouch. Like all marsupials, a baby koalas is called a joey. Newborn koalas are called pinkies, born blind and about the size of a jelly bean. After birth, the pinky immediately crawls into its mother's pouch where it'll stay for 6 to 7 months. At around 9 to 10 months, the joey leaves the pouch for good, ready to munch on a variety of eucalypts. The leaves of these trees are highly toxic and low on nutrition, requiring lots of energy to digest. This is why koalas spend so much time snoozing so as to preserve energy, often sleeping up to 18-20 hours a day. What sets the koala apart from other marsupials is that it has no tail. Nonetheless, koalas live high among eucalypts with ease. Number 8. Wallabies. We'll admit it, it's kind of hard to tell wallabies and kangaroos apart. But it gets pretty easy once you see them side by side. Wallabies are almost an exact miniature of kangaroos. Another way to tell wallabies and kangaroos apart is from their hind legs. Wallabies have more compact legs for moving through dense forest areas. Number 7. Tasmanian Devils. When early European settlers posted in Hobart, Tasmania, they came across a strange creature with frightening growls, high-pitched screeches, and unearthly screams. Coupled with red ears and disturbingly wide jaws lined with sharp teeth, the settlers decided to call these creatures devils. This is how the Tasmanian devil got its name. Their coarse, dark fur and round ears give them a baby bear-like appearance. Though nocturnal, devils like to lay out and bask in the sun. They're huge water lovers, wading and splashing about, even just sitting and laying in water to keep cool. Number 6. Wombats. These stout marsupials look like miniature bears with chunky cheeks. They grow up to 3 feet long and can weigh between 44 and 77 pounds. Wombats are nocturnal animals and dwell in burrows dug with their long claws. Their waddling walk and pudgy appearance make them seem slow and docile. But they can run up to 25 miles per hour. As highly territorial creatures, they attack when defending their territory. Number 5. Dingoes. As cute as a dog yet severely misunderstood, the dingo is one of Australia's most controversial animals. With incredible agility, flexible joints, rotating wrists, and fantastic jumping, digging, and climbing abilities, dingoes are the ultimate escape artists. They can even rotate their necks up to 180 degrees around. Imagine seeing your dog do that. Though they share many characteristics with dogs, dingoes are decidedly not dogs at all. They are classed as a unique species called Canis dingo. Number 4. The quokka. With teddy bear ears and tiny doe eyes, look for the happiest animal on Earth at Rottnest Island in Western Australia. This small macropod is in the same family as kangaroos and wallabies, with an adorable smile to add even more cuteness. With no natural predators or traffic on the island, Quokkas have grown accustomed to humans and often make attempts to sneak into restaurants and campsites in search of food. Number 3. Tree kangaroo. The tree kangaroo is very much like a shy toddler hiding behind his mother's leg. There are 12 known species of tree kangaroo, all looking quite different from each other. They typically grow up to 3 feet tall and weigh up to 30 pounds depending on the species. Tree kangaroos eat mostly fruit, leaves, tree bark, and other foliage found in their rainforest habitat. Its average lifespan is unknown, but in captivity they can live for more than 20 years. Number 2. The platypus. The platypus is monotreme, a kind of mammal that lays eggs instead of giving birth to live young. It's also one of the few species of venomous mammals in the world. Males have a spur on their hind legs capable of delivering a venom severely painful to humans, though nothing life-threatening. The platypus is generally found in the riverbanks of Australia's eastern coast as well as Tasmania. Number 1. The lyrebird. With incredible abilities to mimic chainsaws, camera shutters, and toy guns, lyrebirds are easily one of Australia's most impressive birds. Some reports even swear to hearing lyrebirds mimic human speech. Lyrebirds pick up sounds from their surrounding environment. There are 2 species of lyrebirds, the superb lyrebird and the Albert's lyrebird, named after Prince Albert. As ground-dwelling birds, they rarely take flight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe.